Hello guys, we just shipped new Mercur release, and in this release we also shipped a revamped version of the Fleek, our marketplace storefront starter. And in this video I would like to show a quick demo of the storefront. So we have this stylish homepage, and let's go to the category sandals. On the left we can filter products by attributes, which I predefined in the admin panel of the Mercur. So let's pick a size. And on this page, I will tell you that there is a simple buy box algorithm, which picks up the best offer amongst others. So if we click on the button compare other offers, we can see that the same product being sold by the other vendors. And there is a best offer against other offers. On the price, on inventory, and some other variables. So let's add this best price offer to the cart, and let's also add the same product but from different seller. For example, this pick and piece. That's cool. And now let's go to another category and add another product. That's cool. We have 3 items in the cart. Each of them have different seller. So as you can see, the same product, but different sellers. Let's go to the checkout. Now, if we click on a save, we can pick up the delivery for each of this seller. And we have 30 euros for the delivery. Let's continue to the payments. Continue to review. Now we can review all of our orders and place order. And now we have orders set, which have multiple orders because we have multiple sellers. Each of them gets its own order. And we have a delivery for 30 euros. So that's it. Thank you.